Hello, okay.
Hi.
Hello, hey everybody. My name is Bruno Torralba.
Sono Roberta Colombo,
Richard Hayward.
I'm the owner of LatGrids.
Global Marketing Manager for Power System at ScienceCo.
I work for Doble Engineering and I am the VP of our services group.
My name is Fernando Melo. I'm from Siemens, responsible for the Transformer Portfolio Service.
I'm Karen Hording, Executive Director and CEO for the Society of Women Engineers.
My name is Caitlin Vandemark. I work for Hitachi Energy. I'm the CapEx Category Manager for North America Transformers.
I am Anastasia
Ricardo Actis.
Jean-Claude Duard.
from company Trupp, Project Portfolio Manager.
I'm the manager of the service department.
Arcling Organization.
Clifford Omario Ndiki.
My name is Kai Sundin.
Linkiva.
Koen Vervaken.
Kashil Zom.
Bruno Bassa.
Arnaud Janvier,
CEO of Leider Company.
CEO of Pinwakon.
I'm the founder and CEO of MacCam. Chief Operation Officer. Only Motion GmbH.
I'm the founder and CEO of Enancos.
CEO of Sensol Tech.
My name is Serena Raineri,
Ashish Joshi.
Adam Middleton.
Sales Manager and Business Development Manager in CWIEME.
Category Manager, Electrical Steel at Eaton.
Director and owner of Energetic Advisory.
My name is Gustavo and I'm the Strategy and Operations Director at Altrove.
I'm Marco Barberi, General Manager of Barberi Electro.